That how did you recover in the final two series?
Yeah.
You were under pressure, right?
Yeah, I had a rough start, but unfortunately, I did have a rough start. But then I think once I caught on to my process, I didn't leave it, and I gave my best, how much ever I could. I didn't leave the match till the last shot because I feel even though your start is bad, I don't think it's over till the last shot.
Great attitude.
So coming off a very good 2025, multiple international medals and now this, what do you think has been working for you over the past year or so?
I think, to be honest, not doing any changes. I think shooting is a very simple game, and the more you work on repeating your process over and over again, that's how you master it. And I think you should just stick to it, and your game is within yourself and not your competitors.
Is there anything particular in technique or equipment that you have been trying,
Not really. It's been the same since I ever started. I've always been with the stair pistol, and my technique has never really changed much.
How much confidence did the World Championship medal give you? Would you say that's one of the defining moments of your career? Or?
I was definitely happy winning the first one in 25 meters. Yeah, it did give me a confidence boost. I guess when you go to that kind of a level, you learn how your body performs under pressure. So I think experience counts, and that's what I took from it.
And were there any processes that happened over the last year where you got that level of consistency going?
So I started off very badly in 10 meters last year. For a couple of trials didn't go well, and then I got some time, and since last year was a little open and chill for us, we got to do a little bit of experimenting and understanding our game, because otherwise we have a very tight schedule throughout the year. Even though last year wasn't that chill, but still I wanted to try out a few things, and that's what I did. And yeah, I'm happy it's working out for me.
Could you maybe explain what things that you had tried out with your technique?
It's just technical changes. It really comes down to like person to person. So I didn't change anything in my pistol or anything. It's just certain things like maybe breathing or like how I look at my size. That's all.
And was there some issue with the lighting and all today?
I wouldn't say the issue. It's a very challenging lighting the way it's put up. It's hard for a shooter to really see the sight and the target together. So I wouldn't say it's bad. It's just a challenge. But then not every range is different. So the more you that's where I feel experience counts. So you know how to change it a bit around, and that's when you trust yourself and you build up confidence.
I think we're talking to Manu about it as well, right? Something about that,
I was just asking her if it was just me who faced the problems. I was trying to understand if everybody was going through it, or if something's wrong with my eyes. I just wanted to make sure. Yeah.
Who's your coach right now?
Ronak Pandit.
And you are based in Hyderabad.
I'm from Hyderabad. Yes.
You train there?
Yes. I train in Hyderabad, and I keep going to Pune to get as many medals I can for the country.
And this season is quite hectic, right? You have the Asian Games coming up, you have the World Championships where quotas are up.
Yeah.
How do you manage this season in terms of your recovery? What
To
are
be
your
honest,
plans?
every year is the same. We're always on the run. Every 2 weeks, my suitcase comes out. I have to pack. I got used to it, I guess. Yeah.
Is there any this year between 25 meter and 10 pistol? There's always a sort of compromise that has to be made. What have you figured out? You've been doing this for many years now.
Yeah.
What have you figured out? Is there any compromise that you're accepted that you have to make?
I think I've gotten so used to it now. I feel one helps the other. But yeah, it depends person to person. Some find it hard. It is hard, definitely. Both events are completely different. The weight is different. One has a recoil, one is a firearm, one is an air pistol. But I think now I've found a balance, and I'm happy I did. And yeah, I'm grateful. Both are going good.
You're also shooting in the 25 meters here.
Yes.
Are you ready for a golden double?
Yes. I'm hoping I do well, and yeah, I hope for the best.